Ka sorkar pedeng kala ban penduk pendam no ek artli ke projek lynti ral kata ka projek tetilia Byrnihat ke ba ar kilometer bat ka Byrnihat-Shillong ke ba shispa pra kilometer hadien ke jing persyak bajor na ke kinhun ba per ki balapun pau ke jing sungkya halur ka jingwan rong kertap jing ki briu ki bana bar ha bapun pau ya kani shakila pthai ku bor hak arpun riu trek rempang u menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad ki sangma u pentip ba ka sorkar jela kala syak kentu ban phai no ya ka pisa ka balamang hadu balai spa klur tingka na ka benta ka jindon kam ban shim jaka na ka benta kini ki project ka jing thmu hi kalong ba ka sorkar India kamla ban shu up sa junom Niladap ru banyok pedang ya kashiti nak sorkar India nak benta ban phai no ya ka pisa balathep nak benta ka lan Byrnihat-Shillong kumta kini ki project kila ban syak penduk pendam no ulaong ngam tharai bakalenti ral kan urlong Shillong namar ka sorkar India kala pha phai pat ya ka pisa bat ka bakhamla banlong lada ka don ka jingkar shan bat lada ka jubam ka ba biang ka wana po East Giant Hills tingin la ban penya chakmat ya kani ka project syakate ka than ong u Conrad u bala benram ngidang bishar benia ru la ki donne em ki weipat ki benta jong ka than ki bangila ban penya so lynti ral haringkat ka jinga menjur jong ki pat ba ngin persyang benya chakman u Conrad u pentip ru baya ka pisa ka bakot hadu kumbalai spa klur tingka ha pen phai no syaka sorkar pedeng batong Henry ka bakham kongsan kalong baka jingmang pisa na kabenta ban shna ya kalentiral ha ka bangila banyo ya ka GST bat kiwe ki khajna kala ruban kot syak shipawa jar klur tingka kata kamde ka badan batngi Henry bat ka railway ministry Henry ka pisa ka bawan shangi ka debet tang na kabenta ban siyo ya ki bajaka kata ya ka bangi ha ban phai no ha bakali u Conrad ulaong baka jingterwa ka bathamai na kabenta banwanra ya kalentiral kalong hadu Khliehriat East Giant Hills ya ka baka sorkar ka sedang bishar benia hadien ka jingakran bat ki babun kinonga shimbenta Henry wat lakatta ula kular da ka baong kalong ka basung ngin leit leng ba ka jingkar sham jing ki pat ba ha ka baya de bat ka ni ka phang namar ka de ka ka bale na ka benta ki pat ba bat na ka benta ka roy ka par ya ka bangi kermen ba ki pat ba kin sngo thu kat bangi rang ya shakman kilat penya so kilong ki bakong san hadu katta ha ka ni ka perthei ka ba menta ngila persyang ban pen sngo thu shabaro halor ka ni hoot ki don katu kan ki kin hun seng ki bayeng hala ki jong ki nongrim halor kan ka phang bat ngi buram ya kata
July is not the destination. It is to East Gentia Hills, so maybe up to Khliehriat is what we are examining. And this is, of course, after speaking to a lot of stakeholders there. It's very simple. We will go with the people's support in this whole aspect because it's something that is being done for the people and for the overall development, which we hope people will understand as we move forward. And connectivity is important in today's world. We've been trying to explain this to everybody. Of course, certain organizations have their stand on it. We respect that stand. But my point is that Government of India is not going to wait forever. So already we have received a letter from Government of India to return back the money that was deposited for the Byrnihat and the Shillong line. So technically, almost speaking, this project will be most probably shut. And I don't think the railway is going to become a possibility in Shillong because Government of India has asked them for the money back, and most probably if the support is there and if the positive response comes from East Gentia Hills, then we may be able to go ahead with the project there. And we're also examining if there are any other parts in the region of the state where we will be able to take up the rail connectivity along with the, as I said, consensus of the masses that we will try to move forward. No, money has been lying there. It's not a question of thing. It's for land acquisition about 300 crores, 270 crores plus minus was there. But more importantly, the allocation for the construction of the railway, for which we would get GST and other revenues. I don't have the exact number with me, but it'll be in thousands of crores, maybe touching even 10,000 crores. So that money will be, that's not with us though. That's of course with the railway ministry. But the money that came to us was for the land acquisition, which of course we'll have to give back. No, we are considering that, and we have in fact talking to people, and we have been having different kind of engagements at different level. But as I said, whatever we could get the sense from the general outreach program and the general discussions that we have had, is that there is a large resentment and not a positive point. Yes, there would be some sections that are coming forward, but yes, if there are more people who come forward and express their concerns and ideas, then it does help the cause. More importantly, if there's a much larger debate on this and discussion takes place from the public's point of view, along with different organizations, it'll be a healthy environment. But as I said, at this point in time, all the concerns is something that we would like to address rather than forcefully going ahead with a project like these. So that is what we're trying to do. We're trying to build up the consensus. But as I said, in the process of trying to build up a consensus and move forward, India has thrown this on us and saying that they are asking for the money back. Yes, we can look into it, provided, again, please put the whole news, provided we are able to take everybody on board and we are finding the people and the different organizations. We will take them on board and we will definitely examine it. But I maintain my stand that in whatever decision we take, these are sensitive issues where people are concerned, have got different concerns. So only if we are able to take consensus and take the discussion forward and take our people on board, we will definitely examine this aspect, provided, as I said, we get a consensus.